Alright, so number 5 from the Chapter 11 review is one of these quadrilaterals on a graph that you have to find the area for. So again, a good plan for these problems is always draw slope triangles. So let me do this. I'll do this one in red. So if I build one here, when I go across, the x's change, so 3 to 6, that's 3, and then going up and down, the y's change from 8 to 2, so that's 6. And then if I do this part, when I go up and down, the y's change from 2 to -2, so that's 4. And then going across from 3 to 6, that changes by 3. If I look at this side over here, this goes from +3 to -4, so that's a distance of 7 across, and the y's go from 7 to -2, so that changes by 9. And then coming up and across, let's see, 4 to -3 is 7 straight across, and then up and down is 1. So one method that we've been able to use pretty often is take the area going around of the big dotted rectangle there, and then subtract the 4 right triangle areas that surround the main shape. So let's use that, because we always know that works. So the area of the big rectangle, turns out it's a square, because if you look, 9 plus 1 here is 10, 7 plus 3 going across this side is also 10. Just to double check, 6 plus 4 here is 10, 7 plus 3 down here is also 10. So it's 10 times 10, ends up being 100. And then we need to subtract triangles. So let me get out. Let's do green. So there's this triangle here, right here. Its sides are 1 and 7. So the area of the green triangle is going to be 1/2 1 times 7. So that's 3.5. If I use a different color here, we've got this blue triangle. Whoops. So the area of that triangle is going to be 1/2 3 times 6. So that's half of 18, which is 9. If we look at this triangle here, that area is going to be 1/2 9 times 7. So that's half of 63, which is 31.5. And last, we've got this triangle right here. Area of that triangle is 1/2 3 times 4. So that's half of 12, which is 6. And then if I add these 4 triangles together, I'm going to get, let's see, 35 plus 15, 50. That's interesting. So 100 minus 50 is going to be the area of my shape in the middle here. And 100 minus 50 is 50. So that's the area in the middle. It's exactly half.